How to look elegant every day. Looking elegant is a dream of every woman. It doesn't take a lot of money, or even time, to achieve an elegant look. It's all about choosing what to care for, and what to let go of. Want to know the secret to looking elegant every day? Here are some tips to focus on to achieve that elegance in your everyday style, and become that unforgettable woman you have always dreamed of being. Pulled back hairs. If you are thinking of a simple way on how to look elegant and classy every day, you can do this by simply changing your hairstyle. When you see timeless celebrities, you'll often see their hair pulled back into a low bun or chignon. This sleek hairstyle is such a classic for a reason. This pulled back hair look frames the face in a flattering way and ensures that every hair is kept perfectly in place. It is also a perfect hairstyle for a bad hair day. You can also try simply slicking your hair back in a low ponytail. Have a good posture. Confidence is the most important thing when it comes to elegance. Having a good posture shows your confidence. The way you carry yourself affects how people respond to you, and at least as important, how you feel about yourself. Walk with your shoulders back, and relaxed your head level, and your eyes forward. Carry yourself gracefully, and convey a confident body posture, keeping your hands by your side, and walking with a natural. Practice proper grooming. Being properly groomed is a simple way to achieve a more elegant look. When it comes to your appearance, you should always keep your hair and nails in check. Take care of your split ends and grown-out roots. Always keep your nails trimmed, even, and free of chipped or messy nail polish. As for your outfit, make sure it is free of wrinkles, lint, and loose thread. These small details may seem insignificant, they will make a huge difference in your final look. Go for pearl earrings. Pearls not only personify class and elegance, but they are immensely flattering to your complexion. Pearl earrings have a wonderful ability of being versatile. They are able to create a classy and elegant look at work or dinner. As far as jewelry goes, pearl earrings are essential. The great thing about pearl earrings is that they can be easily worn with anything, from a casual t-shirt and jeans to a cocktail dress. Wear natural makeup. Don't go heavy on your makeup. Natural looking or no makeup is one of the most universally flattering look. Natural makeup will enhance your features, rather than disguising flaws. Remember, less is more. Follow these guidelines for great looking makeup every day. Take care of your skin. Find the product that works for you. Keep it simple. Focus on accessories. For a more elegant look, follow the less is more rule. Go for simple styles, like those pearl earrings, gold hoops, an understated pendant necklace, or a slim gold cuff can be worn in countless different ways, and will never go out of style. If you still want a bit more sparkle, go for just one piece, such as a statement necklace or earrings, and keep the rest of the look simple. Take good care of your skin. To give your skin a natural glow, and to avoid dullness, or even premature aging, take a good care of your skin. Applying makeup every day will become easier when there are fewer flaws to cover up. Start a solid skincare routine that works for you. The most important aspect of skincare is sticking to the routine. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated.